Hello and welcome to my channel Faridi Cuties and Creativities. In this video I'll be showing you all how to make homemade DIY toys. And these DIY toys will be really entertaining for your toddlers. For this we'll need leftover card rolls of tissue papers and small balls. With the help of a sellotape we'll make a long pipe just like this. And then we'll tape this pipe on a sofa or on a bed. And this is how you can let your baby play.
And we can do this activity by holding the pipe. Just tell your mother to hold the pipe. Let the kids play.
For the second game activity, we'll need box. You can take any size box. Just try to take colorful box. And we'll need some pencil colors. And what are we gonna do is, we'll make holes just like this. And I'll be showing you how to do it. Just poke it. And you can make as many holes as you want. Now you can give the pencil color to your baby and ask the baby to place the color in the hole. This game will help your baby increase hand-eye coordination power. And then you can ask the baby to remove the pencil one by one. Let me show you all how my kids enjoyed playing this game.
Hi everybody. My brother is going to aim the pencil colors in this hole. Biggie. My brother is very, very intelligent. Oh, but sometimes naughty
For this game, we will need a specs box and some chocolates. And give it to baby. Baby can shake and enjoy the sound. Later, just open the box and give it to baby. Let the baby remove the chocolates from the box one by one. And they'll also put it back one by one. Now let me show you how Miggy enjoyed playing with it.